Hi, this is Hansje from Lightspeed, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to connect your Lightspeed Payments terminal Saturn 1000. First, verify that the box containing the terminal hasn't been opened and that the security seal is intact. The security seal is a red label with a barcode and a number stuck across the lid of the box. Break the security seal, take the terminal out of the box and verify that the serial number on the terminal itself is the same as the serial number on the box. Inspect the terminal for tampering. Check for missing seals or screws, additional wires, or labels. Pull up the latch on the paper roll cover and open the cover. Place the paper roll with the correct orientation inside of the terminal and close the cover, making sure the paper sticks out a bit. Turn on the terminal by connecting the power supply and pressing the button on the side of the terminal. During startup, the display turns on and off a few times. Let the battery charge for at least 4 hours while you continue with the next steps. Set up the preferred language and press on Next. Then press plus to connect to Wi-Fi. Turn on the Wi-Fi toggle switch so the terminal scans for Wi-Fi networks. Choose the same network that your POS is connected to from the list and enter the Wi-Fi password. Or select Add manually and enter the name of the Wi-Fi network and the Wi-Fi password. Select the check mark to confirm. The terminal sets the network as default automatically and connects to it. You'll now see a Wi-Fi icon at the top of the display. Go back to the Start page and select the Confirmation button. This will trigger the terminal to start boarding. This can take up to 30 minutes. While your terminal is boarding, you can already make the necessary changes to your back office. The first step is to create a payment method, Lightspeed Payments, under Payments, Payment Types, and Add Payment. Fill in the desired name for the button on your iPad, for example, Lightspeed Payments. Select Type Lightspeed Payments and choose if you want the POS to automatically finalize the payment once selected. There are 3 options regarding printing. Select the one that you prefer. Off means nothing will print automatically when the transaction is successful. Transaction slip means once this transaction is successfully completed, the transaction slips bearing the transaction information will be printed automatically. 1 customer copy and 1 merchant copy. Itemized transaction slip is similar to transaction slip. However, each slip will also show the items that the customer ordered. Now that the payment method has been created, you can add the terminal to your account. Go to Payments, Payment Terminals, Add Terminal. Fill in how the terminal should be called. If there are multiple terminals, it should be something that helps with uniquely identifying a specific terminal. For example, the location where the terminal will be placed or which device it will be paired with. The name will be used to pair the terminal to one of the POS devices. The IP address can be found on the terminal once the network setup has been done. On the terminal, press on Settings and then Device Info. This will bring you to the information of the device. Here you can find the IP address and the serial number. The terminal ID is a combination from the terminal model and the serial number. This information is also accessible in the device information menu on the terminal. The serial number is also visible on the back of the terminal. Please note that the terminal ID needs to follow a specific format combined of model and serial number. For example, S1F2-3x0 and then the serial number. It is crucial that the correct format is used. Otherwise, the POS won't be able to successfully send payment requests to the terminal. The setting Print Transaction Slip will toggle whether transaction slips will print from the printer on the payment terminal. When Prompt User to Enter Tip is enabled, the customer will have the option to take tips on the terminal directly. To be able to use this option, the app version needs to be 7.42 or higher. In the last step, you will need to assign the created terminal to the POS device that you would like it to be working with. Go to Devices, select the desired device, and at the bottom of the page, under the tab Payment Terminal, select the just created terminal and click on Save. Once you have completed these steps, you can make a test payment. If there are any problems, you can always contact our support team. They are happy to help you with troubleshooting. Thank you for watching this video and good luck with setting up your payment terminal.